Hey there! Today we are going to work with 7.5 addition and subtraction rules. Let's get started. And today we're going to put the fun in function. Have you heard of a function table or a function machine? So fun. Let me get my little tool out. All right, so let's say we put a 4 into this machine. We push it down in and the machine goes because it's a kind of an older machine. And out comes a 7. What happened inside that machine? What's the rule? We put in a 4, and out came a 7. What happened? Well, inside that machine, we added 3. Yeah? Okay, let's try another one. Let's say we put in a 5. Push it in with me. And out comes a 4. Uh-oh. What happened in that machine? You're right. It took away or subtracted 1. Great. You're getting the hang of this. All right, let's try another one. What if I put in a 3 and out comes a 6? Ready? What happened inside that machine? Ah, you are smart. There are 2 possibilities. We could have added 3, or what else could we have done? We could have multiplied by 2. You got it. Let's try another one because they're fun. Why not? Let's do, what if I put in a 4 and out comes, let's push it in, and out comes a 16. What happened inside that function machine? Yes, we multiplied by 4. And you're right, we could have added 12. We could have. That could have been the rule. All right, we're going to do one more. One more. I know. I just like doing these. I can't help it. Okay, so I put in a, let's say I put in a 32. I put in a 32. Ready? Push it in. And out comes an 8. Uh-oh. Oh, it got smaller. So that means it's either subtraction or division. But since I know my math facts, in my head, I'm thinking 32 and 8, a 32 and an 8. And what's my missing number in that fact family? Yeah, I'm thinking it's a 4. So my rule here was divide by 4. All right, now let's look at this function table over here. Same idea. If I put in, let's say I put in a 5 and out comes a 10. Well, I could have multiplied by 2 or added 5. Let's say if I put in a 6 and out comes a 12. Well, now I didn't add 5 because 6 plus 5 would have been 12. So that means this rule here is times 2. I put in a 2 and out comes a 12. How about if I put in an 8? Remember, my rule here is times 2, so out is going to be a 16. What if I put in a 12? Out comes a 24. Well done. Well done. Okay, great. Looks like you have the hang of this. So let's see, what is the rule of or the function of this machine? So remember, we put in a 4, and out comes a 13. What happened to that 4? Well, 4 times something does not equal 13. So it can't be a multiplication. And because the number got bigger, it has to be addition. So 4 plus 9. So adding 9. How about this one? Is it the same? 8? And out comes a 17. Oh, that's plus 9. And how about this? 11. Push it in. And out comes a 20. Yep, that's also plus 9. All right, sometimes they can look different. They don't always look exactly the same. Okay, write an equation that describes the pattern. Then use the equation to find the next 3 numbers in the pattern. So First of all, we have to write an equation. That's what they want us to do today. So we can see that if we put in, so x, we put in x and we do something to it, we get y. Let's see, it looks like from here to here, that was plus 2. Remember, I want you to check more than one, though. 7 plus 9, that's plus 2. 9 plus 2 equals 11. Okay, so our equation here is x. Remember, this one is x plus 2 equals y. X plus 2 equals y. That's our equation. So it says write an equation that describes the pattern. We did that. Now we have to fill in the next 3 numbers. So 11 plus 2 would be 13. 13 plus 2 would be 15. 15 plus 2 would be 17. And I know what some of you were thinking. I know it. Some of you were thinking, oh, well, I just took the number from here. I just took the number from here and I wrote it here. Did you see that pattern too? Some of you saw it. I know some of you saw it. And that is true. That does look like it is the pattern. However, they want you to write an equation. And I don't know how you'd write this as an equation. So here's our equation. That's a 2, friends. I know it doesn't look like a 2. That's a 2. All right, let's look at the next one. Let me get a different color here. Let's do blue. Okay, so x and something happens and it equals y. Do you see that? I'm using, it's not always x and y, but in these 2 problems it is because they gave me x and they gave me y. Okay? So 10, what happened to get to 7? From 10 to 7, well, it's either subtraction or division because of the numbers getting smaller, right? 10, it has to be subtraction because 10 divided by nothing equals 7. Well, evenly. So minus 3. Okay, let's see if this one is also minus 3. 15 minus 3 is 2. Let's check one more. 20 minus 3. Okay, so now we know our rule is x minus 3, or our function is x minus 3 equals y. So what we did was we took the number in the x place. We subtracted 3, and we got y. So that is our equation. Now we have to fill in the missing number. So 25 minus 3 is 22. 30 minus 3 is 27. 35 minus 3, 32. Good work. Good work. Good work. All right. How about this one? Which equation would you use to find the missing number in the table? All right, so let's see. 2, oh, it must be times 3, right? 2 times 3 equals 6. 5 times 3, oh, whoa, wait. 5 times 3 is not 9. So I must be wrong on the times 3. That must be wrong. Well, another way to get from 2 to 6 is plus 4. So let's see. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Yes, okay, that's better. 8 plus 4 equals 12. 11 plus 4 would be 15. Okay, so but what they want, which equation would you use to find the missing number? So we need the numbers 11 and plus 4 somewhere in our equation. So 11 is the x number. So this one has to be wrong because they're giving me x. Well, and 11 is over here. 11 is not, like they're putting the 11 in the y place, right? 11 is not the y, 11 is the x, so that one's wrong. 11 plus 4 equals y. 11 plus 4 equals y. Ooh, that one looks good. 11 plus 3, well, plus 3 is not the pattern. We're slashing the trash. 11 plus y equals 4. Oh, that one's not right. Okay, so our best answer here is C. Did you get that one? Yes, of course you did. All right, take out your math book, page 440. Go ahead and hit pause. When you're ready, press play, and we'll do this problem together. Okay, let's see. We're ready? All right, write an equation that describes the pattern. Then use the equation to find the next 3 output numbers. Oh, great. This is what we just did. All right, so A and B are our letters here. So I'm going to write A on here, A on the line equals B. We have to figure out what is that function, what's happening, okay? So from A to B, well, it's getting bigger. So we're either adding or multiplying. You got it. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. Nothing multiplies. So that might be my function, plus 4. Let's check it. 9 plus 4 equals 13. Okay, so let's just double check. 13 plus 4. Okay, so now we can be confident that our function is A plus 4 equals B. Here's our equation. Now we have to fill in the next 3 output numbers. So 17 plus 4 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. 25 plus 4 is 29. Great. Okay, friends, that's all for today. I want you to head over to Schoology, check out your assignment, make sure you do your exit ticket. Remember, if you need help, you can come to the live session. Good work today, friends. I'll see you soon.